Hey everyone. Is your Keurig not brewing at all? Yeah, that can be frustrating, but don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through simple steps to repair a Keurig that won't brew in 2026. Let's fix it. First, make sure the machine actually has power. So check the outlet, confirm the cord is fully plugged in, and press the power button. I mean, sometimes it's just a loose connection. Next, check the water reservoir. If it's empty or not seated properly, the Keurig won't brew. Remove the tank, refill it with fresh water, and place it back firmly. Now, yeah, this is a common cause. Coffee grounds can clog the needles and block brewing. Unplug the machine first, then carefully clean the needle using a paper clip or cleaning tool. Just go gently. After that, try running a brew cycle with no pod installed. This helps flush out minor blockages inside the system. If your Keurig still won't brew, it may have mineral buildup. Fill the reservoir with descaling solution and water, then run brew cycles until the tank is empty. So this often restores normal flow. Still stuck? Try resetting the machine. Unplug the Keurig for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. Yeah, this can clear minor electronic glitches, and that's it. In most cases, one of these steps will get your Keurig brewing again. If this guide helped, hit subscribe for more quick home fixes. Hey everyone.